In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you can't see your ultimate rewards points in the Chase mobile app. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Chase account. If you have multiple Chase accounts, your rewards points may be associated with a different login. Next, close the Chase mobile app completely and reopen it. This can refresh your account information and resolve temporary display issues. If the points still aren't showing, check for app updates. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for the Chase mobile app, and install any available updates. You should also try signing out of the app and signing back in. This forces the app to reload your account data. If you're using Android, you can clear the app cache by going to Settings, then Apps, selecting Chase Mobile, tapping Storage, and choosing Clear Cache. Also, verify that your credit card actually earns Ultimate Rewards points. Only eligible Chase cards participate in the Ultimate Rewards program. If your points recently posted from a purchase, keep in mind that rewards can sometimes take a few days to appear in your account. If the issue continues, contact Chase support through the app or website for assistance with your rewards account. And that's how to fix the issue where you can't see your ultimate rewards points in the Chase mobile app. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.